everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to get detailed information about some amazing tech. Specifically, we'll look up a recent demo by Boston Dynamics involving their incredible robot, Atlas. Let's get started. So here we are in ChatGPT. I'll type, "What demo did Boston Dynamics do with Atlas?" and press enter. And there you have it. ChatGPT tells us all about the latest demo. For example, recently Boston Dynamics showcased Atlas performing advanced parkour and acrobatics, including running, jumping over obstacles, and even executing a backflip. It's pretty incredible how they've pushed the boundaries of robotics. Not only does ChatGPT give you the highlights of the demo, but it also provides background information about the Atlas project and its development. This can be super helpful if you want to know more than just the headline details. And that's it. Using ChatGPT to search for information about tech demos like this one is a great way to get quick, comprehensive answers. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.